I just want to walk you through one of our more advanced systems. Here we've got the OZ125 and we've paired it with one of our dosing pumps. So our dosing pumps are used in odour neutralization systems. This one's really cool because we've got a little wind anemometer down there. Basically that's going to control when the system switches on and off based on wind speed and wind direction. For example, so there is a little bit of a delay between switching on and off, but because we're delivering our odour neutralizing product through our dosing pump, the wind anemometer is going to make it so much more efficient. It's only going to work when the wind's at a certain speed or in a certain direction, so it makes it far more efficient for things like neighbouring properties or certain directions where odour is actually causing an issue. So the 125 pump here is capable of running 125 nozzles. We make pumps that are smaller, we also make pumps that are a lot bigger. Whatever you need, we can tailor it to fit.